If you're looking for a cordless wet dry vac, this CC seems to be a pretty good deal. It's not very expensive compared to the name brands. And it has very good suction. It has 2 speeds, high and low. It comes with 2 batteries. It has this little carrying case. Then it also has a charger. It's got 3 attachments. This is for like water. That's really good for water or vacuuming out your car. This is just for general purpose. It has the brush, and this has the little corner tool. And then it has these 3 pieces that are extensions, which comes in very handy. You can put the wheels on it. I haven't done it and haven't needed it. It does have a strap if you want that. I bought a second filter. I use this one for wet. Then I take it off and use the other one for the dry. So they are available. I got mine off of Amazon. I got this replacement filter on Amazon. So it's pretty easy to operate. To put the battery in, you just pop this up and the battery slides right in like so. It's ready to go. The button, press it open. So low, high, and off. So that's pretty good. I'll show you the filter in a second. So it has these 2 tabs here, one on each side. You just pop these off. It has this handle. You can pick it up. So you pick it up and see, here is the filter. Now, the filter has 4 Phillips heads. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that's a little inconvenient, but to change filters, you have to take those 4 out. So let's do a little comparison shopping here. So we're doing the query on the small cordless wet dry vacuum. So here's what comes up. We have this Armor All 2.5 gallon, $98. If you look at the star ratings, it's got 55% 5-star, 7% has 1 star out of 198. So let's go down to the next one. It only has 1, it's 100%. It looks almost like the one that we're looking at, but they have a coupon price of $83.99, so that's a really good deal. It comes with a floor brush. The other one didn't have that. So it looks like the same vacuum. It's still got the 2 batteries. It's got the extra floor brush. However, the way the cord is stored, this cord right here, it's not the same. It's a little different. And I like the other one a little bit better. So let's go down. This is the Ryobi, the name brand. This is the one that I was thinking about getting. It will use the same batteries I already have. But the problem is, it's expensive. It's $130. And it doesn't come with batteries. However, it does have really good ratings. 83% give it a 5-star, and only 1% give it a 1-star. So it's probably the better vacuum for sure, but it costs a lot more. So you have to take that in consideration. Also, it's not returnable. It looks like it's not returnable. And so let's go down a little further. This DeWalt is not even the same thing. Here's a Saker cordless wet vac. It says it's $109. Looks practically the same again, but it costs $109. So this one doesn't seem to have that floor brush. And here's another one for $99. It looks the same as the one that we're looking at, which is where is ours? It's not showing up because I have it in my cart. So over here in my cart. if you look at the star ratings, it's got 70% is 5, 8% is 1. Not great, not too bad, but I like the way this cord stores right here. And this one is different than the one I have. Instead of the bag, you put all the attachments on the outside. Now, one thing about this is when it says it's $129.99, but save 30% at checkout. So when you put it into your cart and you go to your cart, proceed to checkout, it's only $90.99. But with tax, it's $96.45 in Virginia. So anyway, if you want to purchase the CC, it's going to cost around $91, and the other more expensive Roby is $130. So you get 2 more batteries, and it's a pretty good machine. So that's it for this video. If you're interested in any of these products, you can easily access them through the affiliate links in the video description. And if you find this type of video useful, please like and subscribe.